There's no better feeling than being able to get around a group of people and tell them you've got a global e-commerce business. Feels great. Now, how do you actually scale out your business and start selling your products in other countries? And indeed, should you sell your product in other countries? Well, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to go about doing that and tell you when you should think about doing that too. Now, if you like this kind of content where I'm helping you build your own e-commerce business, whether it's on Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, or eBay, whatever it may be sure to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel. And if you've got a question that you'd like me to answer or something you want to comment or interact with me, feel free to just comment below and I'll be sure to get to it for you. With that being said, let's get into it. Is it worth putting your only product, so only selling one product, only product, into other Amazon marketplaces, e.g. the UK, India, the US, blah, 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 blah. So that really is a question about how to tell if your product will make money in another country, okay? Because that's really what that question is. Is it worth it? AKA, will I make money from it, okay? That's really what that question is. So let's answer the money question, because that's a much more fun question to answer. First thing to recognize is this. Amazon facilitates selling right around the world, and they do it in two different ways. The preferred way, I think, is through Amazon Global Selling, where one Amazon account, one Seller Central account, means that you get access to all Seller Central accounts right around the world. I believe this is the best way of expanding your business when it is right for you, okay? Do it this way. There's another way to do it where basically you can hold stock in one country, let's just say it's America, and then export that stock from America into other countries. In my opinion, that is not such a good way to do things. Much, much better to actually go into the country, have stock there. The way that you do that is through global selling, okay? So that's the first thing to recognize. Amazon facilitates that. Amazon makes it super, super easy for you. I'm going to get to the point of whether or not you should do it in just a second, however. Next thing I want to show you, though, is the benefits of doing that. The benefits are, in my opinion, that Amazon will transport your reviews from one marketplace into another. So this is Amazon.com, okay? This is the best-selling product in this particular category, which is the vitamin C serum for skin niche. This is the best-selling product with 81,000 ratings. Just happens to be a mate of mine who sells this. That's a $300,000 a month product, by the way. That one product. And 81,000 ratings. So good for him to go into other countries. So let's just check. Let's just come up here. So we've got Amazon.com. Let's change it to Amazon.co.uk. So also selling Amazon.co.uk. And he's transported 74,000. So not all of them, but the vast majority of them, of those ratings with him, okay? 74,000 ratings. Let's just try one other country, see if he's selling, because that's in the UK. Let's just try Germany, see if he's in Germany. Also available in Germany, 74,000 ratings, okay? So that's a big plus. The other big plus, I believe, about going into other marketplaces is you've already got all your images, beautifully done images that you already know are working. You've already got your text done, whether that's your bullet points, or your A+ content, like you've got all of this done, yeah? So you haven't got to do it again. You haven't got to do it again. You've already got your product description done. You've already got your reviews done. And so you'd think it would be a good idea to go into another country. So let's just assess how you assess that. Here we are in good old Merchant Words, my fave tool for this kind of thing. And I've just done a search in Merchant Words for vitamin C serum. and the search is 2.2 million searches per month for that search phrase. 2.2 million searches per month, which is a lot, yeah? And so all you would do is just check other markets. So let's just go to the UK and see if it's worth us going into that marketplace. And the way that we do that is just go and check out the search volume in those other marketplaces and see if it's got sufficient search volume to go in, or to see if the niche is on the rise, which tells us we ought to be going in to take advantage of the rising sales, okay? So this has got 166,000 searches per month, and you can see here the trend is rising. The trend is rising, okay? Now, always important to ask yourself, why is that trend rising? What's going on? Because in the UK, of course, it is summertime, and so there's probably a lot of people wanting to look good for summer because they're going away on their summer holidays and things like that, okay? So it's not surprising to me that that search trend is going up, put it that way. So you just check the other markets and see whichever market you're thinking about selling in, Amazon DE for Germany, whatever it is, okay? So you go check. That's, I think, a very, very good way of doing it. It certainly gives you a lot. Now, it's not going to have much search volume here because we've actually used the English version instead of the German version of that particular search term, but it gives you an idea. I use this tool all the time. If you haven't got this tool, go to merchantwords.com/Aussie online entrepreneurs, plural, all one word, and you'll get to this page. When you get here, your coupon code is AOE, and that will give you a stonking good deal on getting access to Merchant Words and all that great data for you, okay? And listen, all you need to do is just use it for a month, do all your research, get rid of it. That's what I do. Unless you're using it all the time, of course. In which case, of course, keep it. So there's that. Hopefully that gives you some insights into that. So there's a lot of good reasons to do it. You've got all of your reviews, you've got your market data, you've got your customers you can leverage, you've got your images, you've got your text, you've got your SEO that you know about. You probably also potentially got brand registry you can transport into that new country as well. So lots of pluses. What about the minuses? What are the minuses to that? What's the downsides of it? The biggest downside of going into a new country is the investment that you'll make in stock to do that. So you'll have to buy, of course, stock to go into that new country. And so there's that as a downside. So depending on your budget, that's either going to be A-OK or a little bit out of your reach at that particular juncture. But all things being equal, if you can afford it and the market is there for you, it makes a shitload of sense as well. Plus at dinner parties, you get to say, my business is global. It's everywhere, which is always nice. Not to be discounted. Hey, this is Neil-Asher from the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, and that was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We have over 2,500 members here in Australia and right around the world, and growing. We're actually the fastest growing community of e-commerce entrepreneurs anywhere in Australia. Our members have got sales of over $50 million. $50 million. If you'd like to find out more and come and join us, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au, and I look forward to helping you build your own e-commerce freedom business. Till next time, bye.